Good afternoon. This is Freddie with Plumbing Tree. This is our information there. We are located at 6065 Henderson Drive in San Diego, California. This is the front of the house. We got back-to-back bathrooms, looks like. We're going to be doing a main sewer line camera inspection. Front of the house. We got an access point, one here in the planter box, one down here. This one's going to go towards the house, this direction, and then this one's going to go somewhere, not sure exactly which direction. I'll go that way, good turn, but out towards the street. We're going to be inspecting the main sewer line, determining the condition of the main sewer line. We're going to start going towards the house first. We have a 4-inch ABS access point. These are probably not original to the house. They were installed at some point, which is good. Zero that out. I think we have a transition coming up. Looks like there's an offset there, about a ½ inch offset. The bottom of the pipe is actually the right corner, top right corner of your screen. This section will probably just cause, it won't cause buildup or anything like that because it's against the flow, or with the flow actually, it's going down, so probably won't cause too many issues. And now we're in cast iron, as you can see how the bottom of the pipe is top of your screen. The camera's going to be rotating as we're moving along. But the surface is a lot rougher. You can see the colors, got that rugged, rusty look to it. We got either a sink or a shower tying in here. There's another one, connection at the bottom there. Probably got the toilet coming in right there. You see one of the toilets there, or both. This line's going to continue back. Another tie in there, maybe the kitchen line, maybe the laundry line. And we have another connection there to the right. And then that's actually the end of the line. So as far as the main sewer line goes, we got about 8 feet of sewer line. And we're going to pull back to see, in the cast iron, we don't see any valleys or cracks, any large amounts of buildup, so cast iron actually looks pretty good. We'll see if we can say the same for the rest of the line going out toward the street. It has expected rust, expected kind of wear. This offset's not too big of a deal. I'm not worried about it. Now we're going to move to clean up here. Just going to guide us towards the street. It's still plastic. Clean the lens off. Got some debris. Apologize for the fast motion. Much better. You can see the tie-in of the clean out at the bottom right corner. I'm going to zero this out again. Okay, so it continues to be plastic pipe. Looks like it does a right turn. Yeah, that's why you can't assume the line's going straight. And then transitions here. You see a little bit of sitting water. It's probably about a 1/4 inch offset, and not a lot of buildup, not too bad. Transitions from ABS plastic to cast iron pipe, still 4-inch in diameter. So again, we don't want to see any large valleys at the bottom of the cast iron, any cracks, any roots, any missing pieces of pipe, Need large amounts of buildup. Some buildup on the left here. Too bad. This is definitely original piping. Just tell by the way the pipes are connected. Sitting over here. I don't want any sitting water. So roughly at about 22 feet. Sitting water. Signs of a bottom deteriorating. Some debris on the lens. We're going to push out, hopefully to the city main. Got something going on here. Looks like we got some root growth. Yeah, definitely roots here. Growing in the cast iron section, which is not good. It's not common for roots to grow in a cast iron. We'll locate that spot on the way back. Part of what's probably causing some of that buildup behind there. Got some debris on the lens. Looks like we changed to a different material pipe here. When we make a drop, line goes down, goes way down. You can see a pretty large offset there between ABS plastic and clay pipe. So at some point this was repaired. I won't be able to get my camera through there. It's just kind of like hitting the dead end. Clay pipe is pretty thick, about an inch thick. So that's at least a 1 inch offset on a 4-inch line. We're going to locate this spot. Unfortunately, it's probably the furthest we'll be able to make it, but we're going to locate this spot and see how deep that section is and see where it's at. I'm going to pause recording. Alright, located this spot. Found the clean out. There's a clean out right by the sidewalk. If you're looking at the house on the left side. Because the angle is hard to locate, but I'm going to check the depth right now. You can see the like a tie-in type of maybe that might be the clean out right there. That's the clean out there. Maybe an addition was done, possibly. Huh. Yeah. I'm gonna come back. Deep. Locate where those roots are. You can see them a little better right now. Yep. Locate these roots were about 31 feet out. We're gonna pause recording, locate this spot. Alright, located this spot. And in front of the garage, or the front of the house in the garage area, near a large succulent. Took a picture of the area, approximately 3 feet down. I recommend to repair this section, and eventually that offset's going to get worse where the clay's at. That's probably at least 6 feet down, so I recommend to repair that section as well. Just by the looks of it, it looks like the pipe itself is failing, but the connection that was used was not probably an underground rated connection, so that's why it's starting to shift. Eventually, that section will be a lot more with an offset. I also recommend a pressure assisted toilet to help with the rest of the cast iron. Just because it is a rough surface, it will help a great deal to have a toilet that flushes a little stronger to help push some of that debris out. Other than that, the rest of the cast iron looks in fair condition. It is structurally sound. We only make recommendations based on any structural issues. When you have roots in the cast iron line, it is an immediate indication of a section of the cast iron that is cracked, as the roots should not be able to get through the cast iron. And then when we have a large offset like that, that's more than 25% or more of the inside diameter of the line, that's definitely something that needs to be addressed. Otherwise it will cause issues further down the line. Alright, this looks like we're towards the end of the line. Alright, this concludes our inspection. We thank you for your time.